Hello and welcome. So today we will see that how to remove duplicates from a list. Okay. Sometime what happened that we have a list and we have a duplicate elements into that. So we want to remove the duplicate elements from there. So how will you do that? So for that we have couple of ways, and I have already written all the codes. I will just copy and paste and I'll explain all the steps that how will you do that. So I will explain two and three ways to remove duplicates from the list. Okay, just look the code very carefully and apply in your actual code. So the first way to remove duplicates from the list is by using the traditional way, by using the loop. Okay, so here is the first example that how to remove the duplicates from the list by using the loop. Suppose you have a list of the languages like Python, R, C Sharp, Python, R, and Java. So you can see that there are some duplicate elements. So let's remove it. So first of all, we'll create a new empty list, and after that we loop. Now we are going to loop this languages. Every time we'll fetch every element from here, and we'll check that whether this element is available into the new list or not. And by using this not in operator, we are going to perform this task. Okay, so this will check whether this language value is not into the list. If it is not, then it will add into the new list, otherwise it will discard. Okay, it will discard the adding new language into the new list. And now we will have the new list that will have the unique values. Look at this. Okay, so now we have the unique values. So this is the traditional way by using the loop. Similar thing we can do by using the list comprehension. List comprehension is the concise and elegant and the very fastest way to do this. So we are not going to make so many changes into it. Just look at this. What are we going to do into the list comprehension? So languages, I am taking the same values, then creating the new list as the empty list, and now writing the list comprehension. So new list will append the language from the list of your languages that you have. So here is the for languages in language, and now writing the condition. Okay, condition is if language not in new list, that is your new list array. Okay, new list that you have created. So if it is not into the new list, then it will perform the append operation. This is how the list comprehension works. Okay, and now the same answer we can see duplicates are removed. Okay, by using this your order will be maintained. Another way to remove the elements, duplicate elements, that is very popular in Pythonic world, that is by using the set function. Okay, so you can use the set function to remove the duplicate elements from your list. Look at this. This is the easiest way. So we have a languages Python, R, C Sharp, Python, R, and Java. So now what we will do, we'll convert first of all these languages to the set. Okay, now convert to the set, and we know that the set is the collection of unordered elements and unique elements. So we say that the set is the unordered unique collection of element. Okay, so the drawback by using the set function is whenever you will apply and you will pass this list into the set function, it will remove the duplicate, but order will not be maintained. So you may get the same order or you may not, but as per the rule, set will not maintain the order. And after converting into the set, after converting all the values into the set, will again convert into the list. And by using this, we'll get the unique values. But here you will notice we are not getting the ordered. Okay, we are not getting into the same order where we have the values into the languages, but yes, we are getting the unique values from the list. So these are some ways by which you can remove the duplicates from your list. Okay, so I hope these ways are clear. We have some more and some other ways to remove it, but these three ways are enough to work with the list to remove duplicates. Okay, so I hope all the things are clear. If you have doubt, then you can write your comments and write your queries into the chat box. Thank you for watching. Let's meet into the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.